Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get and install Grammarly keyboard and editor in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings, and in settings scroll down and open Safari. Now in Safari, go to general section, and in general section click on extensions. Now in extensions, click on more extensions, and here click on see all. Here search for the extension you want to install. So to install Grammarly keyboard and editor, click on this icon. It will take some time depending on your internet speed. Now click on open. Now here click on next, and then click on get started. Now here click on skip, and here login your Apple account or Google account, or you can also click on not now. Now here click on add Grammarly keyboard, and from here click on Grammarly for Safari, and then turn on allow extension. So that's how you can get and install Grammarly keyboard and editor in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.